Welcome to JW Tech Bytes. Are you a researcher looking for an easy way to get academic papers online? Well, if that's you, this video is for you. We shall compare Chat GPT and Perplexity AI to see if Perplexity AI might be a better option for you. So let's get started. We'll begin with Chat GPT to see its limitations, then move to Perplexity AI and see whether it will overcome the challenges with Chat GPT. As you probably already know, ChatGPT is currently running on GPT 3.5 on default for the free version, but you can also upgrade to the paid version by clicking here for ChatGPT Plus that lets you access GPT-4 for $20 per month. So let's do an example using the free version, as most of us will be using the free version to see what ChatGPT will output. We will need to use a super prompt to get the best results. If you don't know what that is, I will leave a link on the description below to the video I did earlier on super prompts. Our prompt will have context, intent or goal, response form, and it has to be specific. The prompt we shall use is, I'm an MSc student. I would like you to find academic published studies on machine learning algorithms used in life insurance industry for risk prediction in the last 5 years. Include the references and provide a summary of each study with abstract, introduction, results, and gaps. Also remember to be accurate and correct any typos. As usual, ChatGPT will say it does not have access to the internet and also that its information is limited to September 2021, which basically means we won't get any relevant information. In this case, I have installed an extension, WebChat GPT, that you can install from Google Chrome Web Store. I will leave a link for the extension below. This extension will give ChatGPT access to the internet by activating web access here. Then we will change quick lookup to full insights and the number of results from 3 to max to give the extension the best chance. We shall now paste the same prompt and see what we get. As you can see, ChatGPT is attempting to search the internet to find the articles. Also remember that ChatGPT has a tendency to give false or non-existent references, so keep that in mind. Let's wait and see what ChatGPT will do this time round. I waited for a while, it didn't seem to get anywhere, so I just stopped it. Then we can try to make the prompt a bit easier for ChatGPT. So let's remove the last bit after references and see if that helps. Now ChatGPT has been able to get some references, but has gotten stuck while generating a response and gives a network error. So let's try regenerating to see if it will work. Perhaps it was an internet issue on my end. So ChatGPT apologizes for the confusion and provides some articles for us to review with the links to the alleged places where it found this information. Let's click on the first link and see what we get. Well, first off, it's not even in English, so we can't really know if it's the same information. And the author is also not the same as on ChatGPT. Okay, let's try the second one. Again, this is not the same article, as this one is on stressed state, while on ChatGPT, it's talking about predictive modeling in life insurance. Now to the third one. This one seems like it does not even exist. It says it cannot be found. I guess it's still not as good in providing reliable links, even with internet access. And now we move to my solution, Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is more of a search engine that uses AI to find and present online information for free on your computer or smartphone. Perplexity is more focused and informative and is a good option for academic research. It runs on GPT-3 on default and can provide you with relevant and accurate search results on various topics. If you scroll down, we see it can also be downloaded for iOS and Android. On top of that, it has different features and options for searching, from all, which you can search across the internet and other sources. You can also choose specific areas like academic, writing, Reddit, YouTube, Alpha, and Wikipedia. For our case, we will choose academic. To further help with research, Perplexity AI has a Copilot mode that is powered by GPT-4 and gives you 5 uses that you can reload every 4 hours. So we'll definitely activate it by toggling here. Note that to access Copilot mode, however, you will need to sign up for an account. Now, paste the initial prompt we did in ChatGPT and let's see how it works. On default, Perplexity AI will add links to where it got its results from. As you can see, it starts by searching for the papers online, then gives you a summary of the findings for each study. Like this one is on neural networks for risk assessment in life insurance. And if you click the link here, you get to see the study and you can read more about the study. The same applies to the other studies like this one on privacy and this one again on machine learning. Though this one is on Alzheimer's and not life insurance. So it's not perfect, but it's way better than ChatGPT. If you scroll further down, you will see the links listed. And the best part about Perplexity AI is it even provides you with related questions you could ask it, like this one. What are the most commonly used machine learning algorithms in life insurance? And it will quickly give you results. Like for this one, it says random forest, logistic regression, and SVMs with the links to the literature. You can even write your own questions like, are there hybrid machine learning algorithms used in the topic we are discussing? If yes, provide the algorithms used and the studies. Then let's see what we get. It asks me to specify the topic I am discussing and provide relevant information. As you can see, if it's not sure, instead of giving you results, it asks for clarity, unlike ChatGPT. So we'll say risk prediction in life insurance industry. Then we can ask it to add results and gaps, then say continue. It now gives a response detailing all that you have asked for and the links that are verifiable. The information may not be completely accurate, but it's a good place to start from, and you can always play around with the prompts to make sure your results are much better. It also gives you a few options here, like view sources to see the links added, click whether it's accurate or not, copy to clipboard, or you can even click this to edit the query or prompt. Here is a quick summary of the differences between ChatGPT and Perplexity AI based on features. So, the big burning question, which one should you choose? If you want something that is versatile and creative, then by all means go for ChatGPT. But if you want something that's focused and informative, like a search engine you can use for research, then Perplexity AI is the way to go. You can also use both together to get the best of both worlds. Ultimately, the best AI chatbot for you depends on your needs and preferences. I hope you enjoyed this epic battle between ChatGPT and Perplexity AI. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more AI related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.